Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check and see your Amazon gift card balance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is super useful to go and do, as you may be interested to go and see how much you can go and spend on something. First, open the Amazon app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Here, what you need to do is head down to the bottom of Amazon. There you should go and see a user icon. It looks like of a person. Click there and that will bring you to the account page. Now what you need to do is head to the top and you should go and see the option for account. Go and click there. Now you want to go and scroll down into the section called payments. And you should go and see the option manage gift card balance. And you can go and click there. And at the top you'll go and see it. You can see at the moment mine is 0. If you go and scroll down you can go and see your activity as well. And that's it. So that's basically how you can check and see your Amazon gift card balance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.